Workplace messaging is one of the fastest ways to communicate at work. Many offices use tools such as Teams, Slack, or company chat apps to share information quickly. Messaging is often faster than email and more convenient than phone calls when sending short information or quick updates. For example, messages like, "Can you join the meeting at 2?" or "I'll send the file in 5 minutes," allow people to communicate efficiently across teams and departments. Good workplace messages are clear, polite, and to the point. Even though the style is brief, tone still matters. A short message without polite wording may sound abrupt or rude. Adding words like please, thanks, or when you can changes how a message is received. In some workplaces, simple emojis such as the thumbs up emoji or smiley face emoji show acknowledgement, but overly casual symbols are generally avoided. Workplace messaging is also useful for confirming information and keeping a written record of communication. Messages such as, "The client is waiting in the lobby," followed by, "Got it, I'll be there soon," help ensure actions are understood. Clear, concise messaging helps everyday communications stay smooth and reduces small misunderstandings at work.